to my channel.
And
Welcome to another vlog.
a good breakfast fuels you up and gets you ready for the day. So we are starting our day with a really healthy pancake. These are the pancake which I had received from the Face Shop Valentine's gift hamper, and it was kind of like a ragi millet kind of a pancake, and I tried to make it in a bare pan, and that didn't went very well, as you can see. So I'm going it with a normal tawa, and that's how they turned up, really nice. So I don't have maple syrup on me, so I'm using this caramel syrup and just sprinkling it with some heart and choco chip. What are you eating?
I'm eating pancakes.
Yum. And as no morning is complete without coffee, it's an essential. Currently I've been loving this Rich Aroma by Davidoff.
So,
just in case
Shouting. What happened?
Welcome to my channel.
And
Welcome to another vlog.
where are we going today?
We're going to market.
Oh,
There today.
we got a new teddy today.
Yeah, but the dog drops. There's no battery. We have to buy a new dog from the mall.
We will buy a new dog from the mall, baby.
Yeah, from the crockery shop.
From the crockery shop, you're gonna buy a dog?
Yes, a toy dog.
Hi everyone, I'm Meenal. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to another vlog. The day is Sunday. Obviously it's an outing day. It's our family outing day. You've already seen that we have already had our breakfast. Like, actually I didn't. Myra, and Karan have had breakfast. I did not, because I'm not a pancake kind of a person. I do not like to have any sort of sweet for my breakfast. And also मुझे empty stomach travel nahi karna hai. Obviously we are going somewhere and I'm going to take you along so you'll know where we are going. So we have stopped for vada pav. I am taking a vada pav. I'm eating one vada pav so that I'm not empty stomach, because obviously जहाँ हम जा रहे हैं वहाँ हमको जाने को time लगेगा. And I'm pretty sure because it's a Sunday हमें काफी traffic मिलने वाला है. Kids are having Pringles and I'm gonna have vada pav. I don't know about Karan. Obviously he'll also have vada pav. So you stopped at Joshi Vada Wala, which is like really close to our house. And we're gonna have that, and then we're gonna move on, and I'm gonna take you along. Also, before moving forward, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and like this video if you like what you see. Oh, baby. What are we having?
Pringle.
Pringle. Do you like Pringle? Come. Hello. Both my kids love Pringles. If you are a mother, let me know कि while you're traveling, अगर आप normal chips खाते हो, like any normal chip, potato chip, I have observed that kids face problem if Lay's, Uncle Chips, any sort of chip, if the kids will have it, usually उनको vomiting का problem हो जाता है. Is it normal? Is it common? Do you know the cause? Let me know in the comment section below, please. But Pringles, I have not faced any problems with Pringles, so we kind of, because obviously अगर आप घर से निकले हैं तो कुछ तो snackable item चाहिए रास्ते में, because kids will ask for it. I also am carrying some biscuits, cornflakes, some parmal or murmure, whatever you call it. So yeah. So by the time we reached Lonavala, it was almost lunch time. और जहाँ हमें जाना था उसके लिए हमें बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रैफिक लग रहा था, as you can see. So we decided to stop at this restaurant called Mumbai Masala. The main reason why we stopped here because it was open air. We didn't wanted to go in an AC restaurant because of the situation right now. And also it was like pretty empty, and it had like snacking options, so kids can also enjoy it. And by the time we got done with our food, traffic almost cleared up and we could go where we wanted to go. So अगर आपको अभी तक समझा नहीं है, so we are in Lonavala, and the basic reason that I've come here is what I've shown you is for crockery shopping. A lot of videos I've been watching recently कि लोनावला में crockery बड़ी अच्छी मिलती है, बड़ी सस्ती मिलती है, a lot of decorative items, and I've been wanting to come here for a very long time, and today finally आज time मिला है. So we'll go and we'll check out what all is there, and obviously I'll share with you. और अच्छा है तो आप लोग भी आ सकते हैं. काफ़ी शॉप्स यहाँ पे दिख रही हैं, but I don't know क्वालिटी कैसी है, प्राइस रेंज क्या है. We'll go inside and see. है ना? है ना? What are you doing?
See, इधर गंदा है.
मायरा से. So we're done with the crockery shopping. We did got a lot of stuff.
Yes, and we got some tea set.
We got tea set for Kimaira, like kids ka tea set. So currently Karan is doing the payment and we are sitting in the car because like kids got really exhausted.
And we got some rock.
So we did got a lot of things which I will share in a haul video very soon. हाँ जी, baby आप यहाँ मत आओ, मम्मा यहाँ ड्राइविंग से. चला लो गाड़ी, चलाओ चलाओ, ब्रूम ब्रूम ब्रूम.
Mommy.
Broom, broom. Now it's 5. वैसे me and Karan are coffee people, but then Lonavala आए हैं तो चाय और पकौड़े तो बनते हैं. So yeah, let's see. That's what the plan is. But let's see if the kids are up for it. I don't know. Hello.
Hello.
Kimaira, we got a tea set for you.
Yes. And got spoons also.
Yeah, and owls also.
Yeah.
We got owls and spoons and tea set and mugs and plates and cups. Obviously, the whole video will be coming really soon, and I am gonna remember I'm gonna try and remember all the prices so that if you guys are planning to come, you would know. So make sure that you subscribe and click on the notification bell. So whenever I upload that video, you'll know. क्या कर रहे हो तुम लोग पे? पीछे जाना है आपको? जाओ जाओ पीछे जाओ टेडी बेयर के पास. You're gonna have some tea.
Yeah, I like the tea.
But you don't drink tea, baby. आप तो दूध पीते हो.
Yeah, I also like tea.
ठीक है, टी पॉट में पियेंगे.
Yeah.
Although we are not tea people, we usually do not have tea.
Wish you a Merry Christmas.
But कॉफ़ी का ऑप्शन है नहीं, और मतलब कॉफ़ी यूजुअली जैसी कॉफ़ी चाहिए वैसे मिलती नहीं, सो टी इज़ ऑलवेज अ बेटर ऑप्शन. हम जा रहे हो, सो दैट्स व्हाई वी स्टॉप्ड हियर एंड वी आर आल्सो हैविंग सम पकौड़ास. Stopped on this bridge kind of a thing, where all these stalls are there for where you can have tea and coffee and some snacks. So we usually, like, we always stop at this specific stall. It's called Shri Samarth Snacks. They also have their mobile number written over there, so in case, like, if you're coming, you can call him and then he can keep your order ready. So it's like a very humble couple that they run the stall. They're a very humble couple. They're very nice and very clean. They make like yum bhajiyas and tea and everything. My favorite to have here is like corn bhaji and tea. I really like it, but they obviously have a lot of options which you can choose from.
Let me, baby.
Did you enjoy it today? Cornflakes खा रहे हो? So we're ending our day with this sunset and tea and some snacks, and so we're going back home. And this was it for today. I'll see you in my next vlog. Till then, be you, be beautiful, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel and click that bell icon. Bye bye.